Well, hello, guys. I am back with a challenge. This is going to be the inaugural 5-minute Friday. Let's see if I can do a card in 5 minutes. I know I'm perfectly capable of that. Now, can I do it? It's a whole other ball of wax, and it takes a little bit of preparation. Let's not lie. You didn't just say, "Oh, hey, I'm going to make a card," and grab everything and it'd be done in 5 minutes. And this is my personal opinion. I mean, if somebody else's experience is different, or you've seen somebody else, then I'm all for it. But I already know the card I'm going to make, and I was inspired because I saw something on pictures like, "Oh my God, that's a quickie card," and then and everything percolates in my brain. So we are going to see. Let's see if I can make a card in 5 minutes. So I know what I'm going to make. I'm pulling these pieces together. I mean, this die I already kind of had out because I'm planning a different card for this die. So it was already, I knew exactly where it was, and I felt like butterflies. And then here's a piece of paper that I know is going to work that I had left over from something else I made. And there's your white card base. So I say we give it a whirl. And to keep us honest, I have my spare phone here. This is the old one. And apparently I have to, there we go. I'm going to hit the timer. So we're going to see. So guys, let's hear. Cue the Mission Impossible music, because we're going to give it a whirl. So starting now. Okay, let's see. What do I need to do? I need to create a card base, which means I got to cut that piece of paper down in half. And I don't know if I can do this and sing at the same time, and maybe I shouldn't sing. There we go. I got to trim that. I only need to make one card. We'll worry about fixing that piece later. I need to score that in half. So let's grab and here it is. So 4 1/4 is half. We know this on an A2 card, and that's what I'm making. A2 card. Alrighty. We'll set this aside. Nothing has to be pretty. It just has to be done and out of my flippin' way. And obviously this paper is not squared off. I'm not going to worry about that now. I can fix that later. So I got this. I know that I need to make a background, which is this piece of paper. I got to cut it a little bit smaller than my edge. So I'm going to make it easy for myself. So if it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, we're cutting it at 4. Is this possibly wasting paper? Yes, but I don't think I have enough. Oh, yes, I can. So, okay, so 4 1/4, 5 1/2. Okay, so we're going to, I don't know why, but I didn't want to strip that long. Who knows? I'm a crazy woman who's trying to make a card in 5 minutes. So we will see by 4. So there is our background. But I need a top layer for the car I have envisioned. So I'm going to come back for that piece of paper that I cut funky anyway. And I need to make it a little bit smaller because I know I want a little bit of a border. So now we're cutting it down to 3 3/4 by 5. My God, who knew I could do math this fast, right? Now I know, what do I want to do? I want to cut a butterfly out of this, because I want this paper to show out in front of it. So that's why I have these dies, because it has the perfect butterfly right here. I'm going to use this one. So we're not going to overthink it. This is going to be just a little bit wonky, and there we go. So let's grab and see. Just put this down real quick. The marquis de cortar is right here handy, because again, if you're going to do something on, and this is something to keep in mind. Hey, sometimes you need to slam a card together fast, and you need to know, can I do this? I've always known I'm perfectly capable of doing it. Do I ever do it? No. Why should I not take an hour to make a 5-minute card? Y'all have been hanging around with me. You know perfectly that I am not capable of doing a quickie card. But there is my butterfly cut out, wonky, cattywampus like I wanted to. This doesn't have to be pretty. Now I do need to cut a sentiment, or not a sentiment. I don't need to cut it. I'm going to stamp it, and I want to make this a birthday card. So we're going to go with happy birthday. Again, we're not going to overthink this. We're just going to use, and these are stamps I've had for a while. I think I've had for a while. Maybe I bought it recently. I no longer know. With my shopping habits, who knows if I bought it 5 minutes ago or 5 years ago. It's just like, this is me, y'all. Okay, so I'm going to go here like this. I'm going to put my happy birthday like right there. Not too far down, not too far up, like right there. And I'm not even going to remove my thing. I know I should, because this is a red rubber, but who cares? In the grand scheme of things, if any of you all are going to get on me because I'm breaking the rules, shocking. Okay, so let's see. Alrighty, so all I gotta do now is stamp this down. Can I do it? Oh, that was pretty good. I'm gonna press it down. I don't want to take the time to re-ink it. That looks pretty good. Let's just smoosh it a little bit there. And okay, we're calling it good. Because remember, this is 5 Minute Friday. I'm just gonna remove the stamp and I'll clean it later. So now we are literally ready to put this card together. All ready. It doesn't have to be fancy foo-hoo. It just has to be. So we're gonna take this, we're taping it down. And look, there you guys can tell, it's a very expensive paper. This is from my paper pack that you guys saw me bought, that I bought that ridiculously inexpensive bunch of paper from Hobby Lobby. And this was one of the sheets, and it is so pretty. So now we are going to center it. We're going to center this right there. And I don't know if I can do this, but we are going to go ahead and I want to elevate this just a tiny little bit. So I'm going to grab some foam tape, my scissors, and here we go. Can't you do it, people? Can't you do it? Are you rooting? The crowd goes wild. And of course I have magnets stuck to my scissors because I am rushing, so those things do happen. Ah! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go. We'll put that down right there. Let's tape it, tape it, tape it. Did I make it? Please don't tell me I overlap. I didn't overlap, or just a little. This is where we're going to cheat a little bit. And we need to get rid of that magnet because it's annoying me. And we're going to cut right here, snip, and we're taking it right to the edge because that is really close. And there we go. And we're in the home stretch. All I got to do is, come on, baby. All right, come on, come on. We just got to remove our little tape thingies right here. There we go. One more. See, I'm not my usual chatty stuff, but I need to, of course, here we go. Wait a little second here.
This is 2 hours. Do you want to put something on?
Hold on 1 second, folks. All I got to do is go right here. And there we go. Done. We didn't make it. This may not make it for 5 Minute Friday. This maybe now becomes 6 Minute Saturday. What do you guys think? 6 minutes and 6 minutes, 6 minutes, 12 seconds and 17, 7, whatever it is. Not too bad, you know, and poor Peanut Gallery did not know that I was in here doing this challenge to myself, but all considering I have a little double there, so I guess now I can, in the background, repair it. But really, for having slammed it together, tell me you guys, not bad, huh? I am not displeased. I didn't make the goal, so now I can take a couple of minutes and I can trim off and fix it. But really, the point of this, and I will keep challenging myself, I think this is going to be another little series, and you know, of little, you know, quickie cards that we can do very quickly. But you know what? I'm pleased. I think it is really cute. So I happen to have these guys handy. So let's put these out. Okay, oh, I didn't open these up like I usually do. I'm going to now because that's annoying. So let's go ahead and I'm going to grab a couple of these. We're going to grab this one and we're putting it right there because I picked up a schmutz along the way. So I think we're just going to put, you know, there, and we'll grab that one and we'll put it right there. And I did that on purpose. Yes, that was intentional, right? We no. Shh, do not tell on me, okay? And we're going to leave that. And I think I'll put some over here in the corner. I want this all to look kind of intentional. But again, we're still in the mindset of not overthinking this. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to overthink it. I'm just going to lay down little gold dots wherever it makes me happy. So we'll put them in groupings of 3. So I think I'm going to put the other one right here. I'm going to do a little grouping right there. And always, because there's, you know, we have the rule of 3. So that's what we're going with. That's my whoops. Oh, wait. I got it. It stuck to me. Yay. But still, there you go. That is my quickie card, guys. So just so you know, this is possible. You can do it. And it's a pretty background. I didn't overthink it. I just slammed it out. So it is possible. So hopefully, if you guys got a kick out of this insanity, then by all means, go ahead, throw me a thumbs up. Tell me I made you laugh at the very least. And say, hey, now you feel the challenge. So let's see if you guys can do your own 5-minute cards. And I'm going to tell you, this is the usual routine. Give me a thumbs up. If you like this, drop me a comment. Tell me at the very least I made you laugh. And if you want to see more of my madness, there's more coming. I have another video coming out I have several already that I'm either editing or videotaping. I'm really feeling that I'm having more time to craft. Why? Because I'm not shopping so much. So there you go. Who knew, right? But otherwise, I hope you like this. Thanks a lot, guys, for hanging out with me, okay? I'm going to see you at the next one. Meanwhile, don't forget, we're all a little mad here. So come craft the madness with me, okay? Talk to you guys later. Bye.